It's coming!
Nothing can be more deadly and dangerous than when idiots and menaces decide to cut trees, especially in residential areas, as it's completely unpredictable what could happen. Here are 9 cases where trees meant to be cut to the ground went for the car, starting with this annoying blunder. Maybe this dude wasn't supposed to do something this rash and stupid.
Somebody's got to survive this, so we have the story to tell. Now, if Yolanda was here, she may not approve, but she ain't here. So this is my only warning. Terry, don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah, let's do it. Terry! 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 It's coming! It's coming!
Maybe some things are supposed to be left the way they are, or probably the pros should be allowed to do them. I hope the truck is insured or someone will be seriously spending on repairs. If that scared the crap out of you, the next video will leave you speechless. Did the lumberjack just throw caution to the wind and underestimate the weight of the tree?
Y'all are all going on YouTube. All y'all. All y'all. Yes, I videoed it. Sure did. Sure.
Man, this was massive. It's obvious nobody saw this coming, but prevention is always better than cure. Undoubtedly, nothing can be as painful and pathetic as felling a tree on your own truck. If you thought that was insane and crappy, then you need to see the biggest dummy in the world of wood felling.
Oh crap.
What was this guy thinking? In what direction were they expecting the tree to fall?
Alright, looks like land it's gonna fall on his truck. Yeah, he does. It's crazy. What is it?
Falling. Oh shit.
Is it?
Yeah, it's falling on the truck right now.
Oh crap.
Who uses a truck to wedge a massive tree? Only a dummy would. It was all a horrible and terrible decision leading to almost deadly and terrifying consequences. Next on the list is pretty hilarious. Who parks a vehicle close to a tree removal? It seems as though it was carelessly and deliberately done. Maybe someone is tired of his truck. Even though the tree was on his truck, this dude wouldn't stop cutting. Who knows? Maybe he was born to cut. If you found that funny, what's coming next will shock you. The result is always shocking when things don't go as planned, and what happened in this clip is in no way different. Obviously, the vehicle was parked a reasonable distance away, but it seems the tree was destined to hit it. Even with the cables used to restrain it, it was inevitable. Next on the list was a prediction gone wrong. No one saw this coming. There is what you expect, and there is reality. In situations like this, it's better to be overcautious. That could prevent a lot of trouble. Knowing that no one was hit or hurt gave everyone a sigh of relief. The next video seemed to be planned out. With the heavy-duty equipment holding up the tree, a different outcome was highly expected. Carefully watching this video, it appears as though the lumberjack controlling the equipment was determined and resolute to smash that car. If you thought that was reckless, the tree in the next video renders the car permanently damaged. Considering where the car was parked, it was determined and concluded to be safe from any form of harm. But the outcome was the opposite. Oh my God, that was insane. Who laughs like that? Looking at what the tree did to this car, it's a complete write-off. How are these guys planning on going back with their ride wrecked? If you found that to be sad, the next clip is even more sad. This lumberjack didn't thoroughly think through and consider their plans. With a rope tied both to the tree and the truck to pull the tree down using the truck, they underweighed the degree of damage the tree could do to the truck, and the result was devastating and heartrending. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Catch you all later.